How to blur a part of a video clip. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and turn that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So let's go and create a new project. Then let's select a video that we want to edit. Once we are here, we need to go to effects, go to video effects, and then search for a blur. You can just search or choose whichever blur you want. So you can also adjust the amount of blur depending on the blur that you have chosen. So let us drag this blur all the way. And after that, what we need to do is go back and select the video. Okay, so once you selected the video, go to the copy button, tap in on copy, and then once you have done that, go back to the original video and select it. So once you have selected it, we must look for the button called overlay, so it will bring both videos on top of each other. After that, you can just look for the mask tool, and in the mask tool you can search or you can choose whatever shape you want. So I will be using the circle, so you can blur the part of a video just like that. And as well, you can adjust the where you can blur the video or how big the blur is by dragging the circle. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.